Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Simone Chanel if you're new here, and if you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this beautiful red hair, and if you guys want to see how I styled this hair and the details on it, just keep on watching. Okay, so as y'all can see, I have my little wig cap on, but this is the hair. The box that it came in is Brazilian Secret 100% Remy human hair blended, so that means that the hair is mixed with synthetic hair and all that. So it's soft Swiss lace, and the name of it is HBW Tiffany Girl, and y'all will see, this is my first time opening it. Ooh. Okay, this is how it comes, and oh, look at that color. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Ooh wee. Okay, it's really soft. Oh, I love it. It has, let's see, 2 combs in the front here, right here, and then another one right there. Then it has 1 comb right here in the back and 2 adjustable straps, so if I needed to tighten it up then I can. And it also has this right here connected to it. It just says the name of the hair, the color, which is red wine. Yes, red wine. And what else? What is this? Oh, okay. It says please place on the mannequin head or keep it as your record. Okay, so this is official. Right. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this off and we gonna put this thing on. Okay. What? Dang. So this what it's pretty snug, y'all. So this thing ain't going nowhere. Oh my god, look at this. Look at the hairline. Ooh. So I'll probably pluck it a little bit eventually, and then the parting, it only has about 2 inches of parting, so right here. And I'm probably leave a little bit of lace in the front as well, but I'm about to go ahead and cut. Oh my god, look at that. I'm about to cut this lace off, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I style it. Okay, so I have both my hot tools heating up right now, and I done cut the lace off and everything. Now I'm just brushing it out. It's actually pretty soft, and I'm running the brush through it. Now let's talk about shedding and tangling. So far it hasn't really tangled like that, but it does shed when I brush it. As y'all can see, the hair is shedding a little bit, but it doesn't shed when I run my hands. Well, I got 1 strand right here. It doesn't really shed right now. This is human hair blend, so eventually this hair is gonna get tangly. This is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna do a part. I'll probably do a middle part. Wait, let me see. Middle part or side part? Oh my god, I'm gonna do a middle part. Yeah. So I obviously examining it right now. I'm going to need to pluck a little of the hairline because it's a little thick up here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I will actually, let me show you how I pluck it, and then I'm gonna go off camera and pluck it. So what I do is take a little bit, part it a little bit behind the hairline like this, and then I'm gonna take hair from here and start plucking, like pulling from here. And then after I do that, I'm gonna take another part like this and do the same thing. That way, once you pull it back, y'all see what I'm doing. I plucked a little bit of around the perimeter, but as y'all can see, it's gonna take a lot longer, and I don't got all day to do this. So what I'm gonna do is probably do the baby hairs and gel the sides down, and I'm going to straighten it, and I'm gonna let y'all watch. But when I did pluck it, this is how much I plucked out, and this is how much hair is still left. So obviously it's thick, really thick hair, and I'm about to straighten it. But I do want to show y'all the length of it. It does come pretty long. Can't even see it. Like, it's low. It comes all the way down to my butt. It's long. It's about definitely 26 inches at least, 26, 28. So this is pretty long. So I'm just going to take my got to be glue gel. I'm going to gel the ear straps down on both sides, and then I'm going to do the baby hair, and then we're going to straighten it. Okay. Okay, y'all, I'm just going to keep the two, well, the front side like this. I'm not gonna go all the way to the ears, but if I wanted to, I could tuck it behind my ears like this. I did pluck a little bit behind the hairline just so it can look like this when I do the baby hairs, because you know you're gonna need a little space in between when you do your baby hair, so it'll look at least a little bit natural, like you put a little effort into it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is brush it out, and as y'all can see, I'm brushing through it. The ends do get a little, you snag a little bit on the ends, but I'm okay with it because it's not like knotting up, it's just snagging. But I could see that happening because the hair is just so freaking long. So now I'm just about to take my flat iron and straighten it out, and then we're gonna fix this part. Okay, before I start to put the iron on it, I do want to let y'all know what it says about heat. If you open this little card, it says the heat is heat friendly, 377 degrees Fahrenheit, close to real hair tolerance. It has a real hair feel, silky and soft texture, less tangles than similar synthetic fibers. So since it does have human hair blend, it's a little less tangly, and it does have like a Yaki feel to it and a Yaki look to it. So I'm loving it. And it also says better curls, style easy with curl iron and blow dryer. So I'm just gonna show y'all how it straightens and everything, and let's get it going. Okay, so this is cute. It turns out the difference between the two, you can see this has more luster to it and movement, and this is more of a natural hair feel. So I'm gonna straighten the rest of the bottom. I don't want to straighten all of it because I do want the top to stay full, so I'm just gonna do little medium-sized pieces to straighten it, and we'll be pretty much done after this.
So I like to play with it, squeeze it like a stress ball. I say it like they hear the sound and be chirping it. Turn up his phone, cause them hoes keep chirping it. Turning down some head, I mean that's sorta like a bird. Turning down some bread, you can eat it like a treat. Very freaky girl, girl, very freaky girl, very freaky girl, girl. Cooking.
When I'm back on road, if you wasn't there for me when I was all alone, then bitch don't expect no love.
I'm just a East Atlanta.